Hello everyone, my name is Gabriel Todo Barita Sidauru and I'm from Tax Accounting Diponegoro University and my last 3-digit student ID number is 217. And today I'm going to review the movie Enola Holmes 2. This movie was released in 2022 and directed by Harry Bradbeer. It is a mystery adventure film starring Millie Bobby Brown as Enola Holmes, the younger sister of the famous detective Sherlock Holmes. The movie continues Enola's journey as she tries to become a professional detective while proving that she can succeed on her own. In this presentation, I will discuss the plot, my favorite character, the message of the movie, the best scene in my opinion, and 10 difficult vocabularies from the film. The first one is the plot of the story. The story begins after Enola successfully solved the first case. Inspired by her success, she opens her own detective agency in London. However, unlike her brother Sherlock Holmes, Enola struggles to attract clients because people do not trust a young female detective. One day, a poor match factory worker named Bessie comes to Enola and asks for help. Bessie's sister, Sarah Chapman, has disappeared mysteriously. Although the case seems small and unimportant, Enola decides to investigate. As Enola follows the clues, she discovers that Sarah had uncovered corruption inside a large match factory. The factory owners were hiding dangerous working conditions that were making employees sick. Sarah planned to expose the truth, which made her a target. During her investigation, Enola faced many obstacles. She is chased by criminals, encounters secret messages, and uncovers a conspiracy involving powerful businessmen and politicians. At the same time, Sherlock Holmes is working on a separate case involving a mysterious criminal mastermind. Eventually, both investigations connect and reveal a larger mystery. Enola learns that Sarah's disappearance is linked to a real historical event involving workers' strike. The factory workers were suffering because of toxic phosphorus used in the match production, which caused serious illness. Near the end of the film, Enola gathers evidence and exposes the corruption. The workers unite and demand justice. Sarah's stories help bring attention to the unfair treatment of laborers. The movie concludes with Enola proving herself as a capable detective. She gains confidence, earns recognition, and establishes her own identity beyond being Sherlock Holmes' sister. Okay, the second is my favorite character. Well, my favorite character is, of course, Enola Holmes. Enola is very intelligent, brave, and independent and determined, even though many people underestimate her because she is a young and female woman. But she never give up. One reason I admire Enola is her courage. She often puts herself in dangerous situations to uncover the truth. She is willing to fight powerful people if it means helping innocent victims. Another reason is her compassion. Unlike some detectives who only focus on solving crimes, Enola genuinely cares about people. She wants justice for the factory workers and works really hard for help them. Enola is also creative and resourceful. She solves problems using observation, logic, and quick thinking. These qualities make her an inspiring role model for a student in university, like me, of course. Overall, Enola Holmes is my favorite character because she showed that determination and intelligence can overcome prejudice and discrimination. And the third one is message from the movie. There are several important messages in Enola Holmes too. Okay, I will discuss the first one is the movie teach us to stand up for justice. Enola risks her safety to expose corruption and protect innocent people. Second, the film highlights gender equality. Enola faces discrimination because she is a woman, but she proves that she talent and intelligence are not determined by gender. And the third one is teamwork is important. Throughout the movie, Enola receives support from her friends, Sherlock, and all other allies that accompany her. Together, they accomplish what would be impossible to complete alone. The fourth one, the movie reminds us that every person matters. The disappearance of one factory worker may seem insignificant, but it reveals a major conspiracy affecting many lives. Finally, the film encourages us to be confident in ourselves. Enola succeeds because she believes in her abilities even when others doubt her. And then the fourth one is the best scene in my opinion. In my opinion, the best scene is the final confrontation when Enola Holmes reveals the truth about the factory corruption. This scene is so exciting because all the clues finally come together. Enola presents evidence showing how the factory owners endangered workers and try to hide their crimes. The tension is very high because powerful people attempt to stop her. However, Enola remains calm and determined. I like the scene when because they demonstrates Enola intelligence, bravery, and commitment to justice. It also provides an emotional payoff after all challenges she faced throughout the movie. Another reason this is my favorite scene that it was represent the victory of truth over corruption. The workers finally receive recognition and the feelings are exposed. Okay, and the fifth one I will discuss about 10 difficult vocabularies and sentence. Okay, the first one, investigation, meaning the process of examining facts to discover the truth. The example of the sentence is the detective began an investigation into the missing worker. The second one is the conspiracy, meaning a secret plan by group to do something harmful. The example for a sentence is Enola uncovered a conspiracy involving a powerful businessman. And then the third one is corruption, dishonest or illegal behavior by people in power. And the example of the sentence is the movie shows how corruption can harm ordinary citizens. The fourth one, evidence. It was a facts or information that proves something. The example of the sentence is Enola collected the evidence to support her claims. The fifth one, discrimination. It was an unfair treatment based on gender, race, or other factors. The example is Enola faced discrimination because she was a young woman. The sixth one is determined. It was having a strong desire to achieve something. The example of the sentence, she was determined to solve the case. The seventh one is mysterious. It was difficult to understand or explain. Yeah, in Indonesia it was mysterious also. The example of the sentence was Sarah disappearance was a very mysterious case. The eighth one, courageous. It was brave and willing to face danger. The example is Enola was courage throughout the investigation. The ninth one is exposure. It was the act of revealing hidden information. The example of the sentence is the exposure of the factory scandal shocked the public. And the tenth, the last one is justice. It was a fair treatment according to law. The example is the workers finally received justice for their suffering. And then we are in the last part of the video. I will discuss about the conclusion. To conclude, Enola Holmes 2 is an entertaining mystery film. It was filled with adventure, suspense, and important social message. The story follows Enola as she investigates the disappearance of factory workers and uncovers a major big conspiracy that happened in a factory. My favorite character is Enola because she was very, very intelligent and she was very brave and determined. The movie teaches us valuable lessons about justice, equality, teamwork, and self-confidence. My favorite scene is the final, the confrontation where Enola exposes the corruption and helps the worker achieve and finally get their justice. Okay guys, thank you for listening. I hope you enjoy my review of reviewing the movie Enola Holmes 2. Thank you everybody.